You know, I love going to the beach. So this is a product review actually. I bought a beach chair from Temu. And let's see how easy it is to assemble. Do you like the color? I love the color. So let's check it out, how easy it is to assemble this one and if it is sturdy. So it can help you with your purchase in case you like one. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I wish it is, but it's not. But I just want to help you decide whether you want a beach chair or you don't. But I've been wanting to have one, so it has a lock. So let's try to open it. Easy to open. So it goes like this. I believe this is the feet. So actually easy. That's the feet, and then as you can see, it's kind of wide, right? What I love about this chair is it also has a cover, so it will protect you from the sun. Now this is the hinge. Is it to click? There's another one on this side, on the other side. Yeah, it's also easy to click. Oh, wow. Now let me sit. Let me feel it. It is actually comfortable. And it has a cup holder